Hello everyone, I am Vismay. Today I will show you the demo of how to selling the products via WhatsApp using a WhatsApp automation. I have created this demo using a WhatsApp Cloud API without any solution partner. Solution partner such as Vati Interact that providing you to WhatsApp automation. But I have developed this demo using a WhatsApp Cloud API provided by the Meta. First of all, first of all, you have to add the products in Commerce Manager. Then you have to link that Commerce Manager catalog into the WhatsApp Manager. After linking that Commerce Manager catalog, you can send that catalog to customer. So here is the demo. You have to interact like this. First time sending the message of hi, then it will show the interactive list and the greeting message. Then choose the option of products. Currently I have developed two categories, sarees and accessories. I am selecting the accessories category here. Then it will show you the items. Then click on the items, then place order. After the placing the order, it will show you the address which is previously added. If you want to change this, then click on the change, otherwise select and continue. After clicking on select and continue, you will get the message of order summary where you can see the WhatsApp order ID and the amount which you have to pay via UPI, GPay, PhonePe, Paytm, credit and debit card. Then click on the pay. I have used cashfree for the payment module. Currently I have run this payment module to testing. That's why it is showing a sandbox. Just click on the any suitable option, then enter the details. I'm entering here testing credit card details. Then proceed to pay. Here as you can see, this is showing a simulator of the payment gateway. Just enter the OTP, then click on the success, then submit. Currently it is in the testing mode, that's why it is not deduct any amount. If you go with the production mode, it will deduct from your real account and receiving into the merchant account. After successful payment, you will receive the message, thank you for shopping with us, you will receive your product soon. You can modify this message according your requirement. If you want to make this kind of WhatsApp automation for your business, you can contact me from the description link. Thanks.